Hey guys, it's Oli. Welcome back. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to achieve this cute beachy curl that I absolutely love. I just love doing this look. It's so easy. It's so fast, and your curls look so healthy, so pretty. They don't look crunchy at all. So stay tuned, keep watching, and enjoy the video. Alright, so if you made it this far into the video, let's begin curling. I do have my handy dandy wand. This is a 25, and now what I do is, so this is how I suction my hair. So I'm gonna divide my hair into two. So I'm gonna start right here. Obviously, if your hair was parted down the middle, then you would start from way up here. So that's just how you want to part your hair and want your curls to begin. I'm just gonna do, oh, this one's hard, one side of my hair. First, I like to start from the back forward and then to the front, and then work on little pieces that I miss. This is like my really fast, I have to curl my hair and go routine. It is not my, I'm gonna section every little piece of hair, make sure everything is perfect, because this I'm going to brush out and then let's go. This is my wavy, beachy hair routine. So let's start. I'm gonna start from like back here and just grab like, you know, a good chunk of hair, not too thick, but also not too thin, just like this, and let's begin. And I always curl back. I don't get too close to the root nor the tip, just like that. And I wait like, I don't know, 5-7 seconds, maybe 10 if I'm not in a hurry. Let it fall on my hand and let it cool, and then you let go like that. Now, like I said, towards the end is when I go and kind of like perfect the curl if it's really like bad or it came undone. A lot of you guys might prefer using spray. I don't use any of that and my hair stays. But like I said, it's not for everyone. I just hate having all that extra stuff on my hair. What I normally do is just do dry shampoo and then my heat protector. That's about it. All right, and then towards the, now that I'm in the front here, I am just gonna split this section right here in half. I'm like the bottom and the top, like, oh, maybe a little bit less, like this, and then get close. So see how much hair I'm leaving out, like maybe 1.5 inches, depending how long your hair is. If your hair is short, I wouldn't leave so much out because you would literally probably only have like one curl. And then let it cool. Okay, now this is the front of your face, so you really want to make sure it looks nice and pretty and just how you like it. I always go out when it comes to curling my hair, especially in the front. So then this is how I do it. I grab that piece, make it a little bit tighter. I only leave this much hair out. It's okay if your hair is like falling off because obviously that's where the shorter parts are, so you can just go over it and tighten up that curl. Let it cool. And then just redo this one. Oops. It's pretty short. Alright, so there you have it. These are my curls right now. And then we will brush it out towards the end. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this side real quick, and then I'll come back and show you how we're gonna brush them out.